Alright, y'all, morning coffee's in hand.
Bow in hand.
Bow in hand. This is the way to start the day, y'all. Shooting at the target.
Don't ever do this with your hair down.
Boom. Boss status in the morning.
That's right.
Look at that. Check out this grouping, y'all. That's not too bad. Just in the game, I'll be splitting arrows in no time. I want to point out how cute she looks doing this in her house shoes.
Super hardcore.
Alright, y'all, this is what happens when Crystal's shooting.
No, Robert doesn't know how to shoot accurately.
That was one of my shots. Through the wall. What you cooking up there, baby doll?
Some chicken wings.
Chicken wings. This is from last night's Outback Steakhouse.
Recooking them.
Alright, we got some eggs over here. What do you think?
It's okay. There's 3 normal eggs and then a cup of white egg whites, I mean.
Would you prefer the yolks?
I just need to get rid of the egg whites, so.
Not a fan of egg whites.
Not a fan of egg whites at all. Unless it's on toast and we can't have toast, so pointless.
Pointless.
So we're headed into Kroger. We're gonna get some steaks. We're gonna get some peppers, onions, that kind of thing. We're making shish kebabs tonight at Robert's parents' house. So we're headed in to the store now.
Alright, since I love my mom so much, I'm gonna get her some fall festive flowers. This was Crystal's idea, by the way. Alright, y'all, my folks are wine drinkers and they like cheese, so we're gonna try and get some good cheeses to pair with the wines. I'm not much of a cheese and wine connoisseur, but we're gonna get a Welsh cheddar, a horseradish cheddar, and a whiskey cheddar. What did we get on our shish kebabs?
Sirloin and scallops.
Yeah, buddy. Alright, y'all, we're getting some collard greens because we're in Arkansas. And that's what we do here. We eat our collard greens. Alright, y'all, so we have a new find at Kroger's. We've been doing a bunch of carbonated water. Obviously, this is bubbly sparkling water with apple flavor. I've never seen an apple flavor.
I miss apple so much.
That's pretty good. What do you think, babe?
Wow. That's like a crisp, like granny apple right there.
You like it?
That is so good. Highly suggested.
Alright, y'all, we are at the folks' house, about to get to cooking. Here we go. Alright, y'all, we're making some shish kebabs for the folks because I love shish kebabs and I haven't had them in a long time. So we got sirloin, we have zucchini, mushrooms, onions, green and yellow bell peppers, and we have some sea scallops that we're gonna throw on here as well. So get ready.
Look at those 2 cuties.
Yeah, Jack's waiting for his shish kebab too.
You're looking at me.
Yeah, how about that, Jack?
We had our shish kebabs. They were delicious. Had a good time with the folks. Shot some bow and arrows. Ate some good food. Played with the dogs. Mom's still playing with the dogs.
I love my babies.
Where'd Crystal go? Crystal! Close it out, babe.
It's been a good day today.
Now get him. Now he's cute.
It's been a really good weekend. Nice to catch up with a bunch of the family, Granny and Pop, Uncle, parents. It's been a good one.
Deep thoughts, baby, deep thoughts.
I don't know what else to say.
See you tomorrow.